Okay, our first question on this assignment says, click on the link to the first Khan Academy assignment. Make sure that you take a screenshot of the last page with your results on it to submit as your answer. So if you click on this link, it'll take you to this points on a coordinate plane assignment, which you're going to be doing straight on the Khan Academy website. And then you're going to submit a picture at the end, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. These are different questions dealing with graphing points or writing the coordinate of points. So just go through this first one with you. And don't be alarmed if your first question is not the same, because every time you click on this link, it pulls up random questions. Using the following coordinate plane to write the ordered pairs for each point. So let's look at A, point A. Well, we're going to go all the way over to -3, our left and our right, our x first. So we're going to put a -3 in here, and then it goes down to -1. Notice on this graph, they are going by half increments. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, which means this is a half. This is 1.5, this is 2.5, 3.5, and so on and so on. We can do that same thing for B, so 3, -1. I'm just going to put it in really quickly so you can see what these answers look like. And then -1, 3. All right, so when you think you have the answer right, you're going to plug it in and you're going to go scroll to the bottom of the screen right here where it says check your work. Notice you have 7 answers that you're going to be going through. So we'll check our work. Notice it says, awesome, we did it right. I'm just going to skip to the next question, and we're just going to make up a random answer for this one really quickly so that we can see what it looks like when we get it wrong. If I click check, notice it says either get help. So if you are like, oh, I really don't know what I did wrong, you can click the get help button, or you can click skip for now if you're like, I'm fine with getting it wrong, which hopefully none of you are. But let's say we do that. Again, if I click through all these answers, the very last page that will show up is a score page. It says keep going, keep growing, and then it shows you your score. This is the page that I want you to take a screenshot of and submit as your answer. So again, you can do Shift Command 4, take a nice screenshot of that page, and then submit that as your answer.